Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying weekend and week ahead outlook, brought to you exclusively by Fly Magazine in association with weatherschool.co.uk. It's Monday the 4th of November. Thanks again for watching. Hope you had a good weekend. Now, it does look as if we're in for a fairly mixed week overall this week, I think. There will be some brief flying windows in there. I don't think it's one particularly to be planning trips too far, but you'll get some local flying in, I think, every now and then. These windows not lasting more than a few hours. And then we head into a mixed weekend as well. So things certainly staying on the cool side and on the mixed side. But as I say, just the possibility of some windows in there, which we're monitoring really carefully. Now, if you've not been to Aviation Weather School, this is your chance. I've got one place available on my course on Saturday, 18th of January. All the other courses are free, but this one has become available. It's Saturday the 18th of January, just that one place is there. And what we do at Aviation Weather School is build your confidence in your ability to be able to make predictions yourself and interpret the forecasts that you're seeing elsewhere. And know that if you leave the airfield, you're going to be able to get back safely and can trust those forecasts. So if you'd like to come along, go to weatherschool.co.uk. That's the site that you'll see. Go to Aviation Weather School Part 1, and that will explain everything that we do at Aviation Weather School. It really is a fun day, and you can book your place now by just clicking on that book securely by card or PayPal. It'd be great to see you there on Saturday the 18th of January. Of course, as well, we've got our weekend forecast email, which goes out on a Thursday or a Friday. It's just a text forecast of the flying conditions for the weekend. You don't get any spam, you don't get anything else, it's just that forecast. If you're not getting that yet, then you can subscribe now. Just send a blank email to aviationweather-subscribe at weatherweb.net, and you can unsubscribe anytime you want as well. But as I say, no spam on there whatsoever. It is just a free forecast for you. Okay, on with the forecast for this week, and for today we've still got low pressure in control. You see the front surrounding the low. Area of rain across southern England, heavy showers moving through here, bringing non-VFR conditions at times. Watch for embedded QNIMs in here. I think for eastern and southern Scotland, eastern parts of Ireland, still going to be seeing those outbreaks of rain as well, generally non-VFR in here. And non-VFR northern Scotland because of the strength of the wind. It's only this area sort of in between those two rain areas that may see some VFR conditions during the course of this afternoon. But just check the forecast and treat that very cautiously. You might get some local flying in, I think, as I say, during the course of this afternoon. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, the area of low pressure has moved off towards the south here. Still got these fronts that hang around the Midlands and through parts of Wales. They'll be bringing some outbreaks of rain with them. I think generally non to marginal conditions here. Base is probably about 2,000 feet, tops at 12,000 feet. Across southern parts of England, there will be some flyable conditions, but it does go marginal at times in showers. 2,000 foot bases, 15,000 foot tops. Eastern coast of England, eastern coast of Scotland, marginal as well. Quite a bit of cloud here, 1 to 2,000 foot bases, tops at about 8,000 feet with some drizzle and some showers moving in at times. But western Scotland and Ireland, generally VFRable, 3,000 foot bases, 9,000 foot tops. Just watch that northeasterly breeze. And then for Wednesday, bit of a mess on Wednesday. We've got a very weak ridge of high pressure across the country. So mist and fog patches early on. They should lift. And then I think for many parts of England and perhaps eastern Wales, it should be generally fair. And for much of Scotland as well. Bases becoming 2,000 to 3,000 feet. Tops at about 10,000 feet. But this feature moving down the North Sea may just bring some heavy showers onto eastern coast. Could be some more heavy showers too, just getting to western Scotland and northern Wales, associated with the trough that you see here. This leads to non to marginal conditions with the risk of some embedded QNIM. And an area of rain coming into western parts of Ireland too, with bases of 1 to 2,000 feet, tops at about 10,000 feet. In between those two areas, there may be some flyable conditions, but I have to say, we're clutching at straws a little bit here with this one on Wednesday, but there will be some flying to be found here and there. Thursday, much more unsettled, complex area of low pressure. I think what I have to say is across much of England and Wales, it's non-VFR. Some heavy periods of rain possible across the Midlands or Wales or northern or southern England. Some uncertainty at the moment as to exactly where the worst of the conditions will be. But bases of around 2,000 feet, tops at 15 to 20,000 feet. Some embedded QNIM in there as well. Across Scotland, further front bringing cloud and outbreaks of rain across eastern and central areas, generally non-VFRable here. Northern Scotland looks a little bit better, but all in all, a very messy story for Thursday. Friday may be a bit better. We've got a front just hanging around across East Anglia and the southeast. This brings generally non to marginal conditions here. 2,000 foot bases, 12,000 foot tops. Could be some showers again across eastern Scotland with marginal conditions here. Elsewhere, misty, murky start, but I think generally becoming VFRable, although cloud and rain getting into Western Ireland later on. And then for Saturday, low pressure is still in control on Saturday. Another front moves its way eastwards, taking a band of rain with it. Heavy showers following to the west, but in between these two areas, and there is some uncertainty over the timing on these fronts, I think we should find some VFRable conditions across England and Wales, but marginal across Western Scotland because those showers could be heavier there and moving more quickly. And then for Sunday, at the moment, we think another area of low pressure to the south. This brings cloud and rain across Southern Ireland and southwest England, non-VFRable here. The easterly wind across eastern Scotland bringing some more cloud and rain in off the sea, non-VFRable here. In between those two areas, though, may be VFRable with a 2,000 to 3,000 foot base and a top at about 10,000 feet. So there is some hope there on Sunday of some flying to be found, but I think again we are really clutching at straws a little bit. So overall, as I said, this mixed week is going to continue with those brief flying windows. Now, if you'd like to know more about how you can make the weather work for you and get the most out of your flying, and perhaps produce the forecast like I do here on the Flyer forecasts, then get yourself along to Aviation Weather School. It's a great day, and as I say, this one place has just become available because somebody's having an operation basically and can't make it to this course in January. So I've got that one place available on Saturday the 18th of January. If you'd like that, you can book that now. Okay, I will leave you with that for now, but whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Have a great and a safe flying week. This has been your Flying Week and Weekend Ahead Outlook, brought to you exclusively by Flying Magazine in association with weatherschool.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.